Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to find your wallet address on Coinbase. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open the Coinbase application on your device and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the Receive Crypto option. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if you want your USDC wallet address, just search for USDC in the list and tap on it. The next step is choose the network you want to use for receiving USDC. I will choose the Ethereum network for this example. So guys, now you will see USDC wallet address for Ethereum network on the screen. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code to share it. If you want to find the wallet address for another cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Bitcoin, just follow the same steps. And that's it. That's how you find your wallet address on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.